Welcome to the Candle Business Coach Podcast, a show about the craft of candle making and small business. I'm your host, Kirsty Allen, and I'm a candle maker, mum of three, and kindness advocator. Join me as I dive into all things candles and small business and deliver advice and tips to you in episodes every Tuesday and Friday. Are you on the list to get my daily motivation emails? Every day I'll send you a message that is designed to help keep you focused on taking action toward your goals. Sign up using the link in the show notes. This episode is brought to you by my free ebook, the Candle Business Marketing Kickstarter Kit. Inside this free ebook, you'll learn to identify your blocks of time to dedicate to your candle business. Plus, there are several tips and tricks for re-engaging past customers and attracting new customers into your business so you can grow your business and reach your goals. Check out the link in the show notes for your copy. Welcome back to the podcast, my friend. I hope you're having a beautiful day, no matter where you are in the world and no matter what you're doing. I wonder if you're making some candles or if you're writing down some social media posts or even if you're doing the dishes or walking the dog. Regardless, I'm glad you're here and I appreciate that you're listening to this episode. So when I started this podcast, I wanted to incorporate a few different aspects, including mindset, having relevant guests that can share their knowledge and their industry expertise with us, and also include strategies and practical advice that you can implement into your business and your life. And so today's episode, I wanted to chat to you about the business of candle making. And what I mean by that is I want to touch on the various aspects of marketing, branding, and actually selling your candles to help your business succeed. So marketing, in case you don't know, is crucial and it's a crucial aspect of growing your candle business. There are many strategies that you can use to promote your candles and reach your target audience. So let me talk through a couple of key strategies to consider. Number one, social media marketing. So as we know, social media is a powerful tool for promoting different products and services. We see it all the time with different ads from different businesses. And you can use platforms like Instagram and Facebook and TikTok to showcase your products, share behind the scenes content, and connect with your followers instantly. To be effective, it's important to understand which platforms your target audience is using though, and tailor your content to that audience. For example, if your target market is mostly on Instagram, you may want to focus on visually appealing content such as photos, videos, and reels of your candles and the packaging as well. Number two is email marketing. So email marketing is a great way to reach your target audience and promote your candles. You can use your email list to announce new products, offer promotions, and keep your customers up to date on your business. To be effective, it's important to build a strong email list of subscribers who have opted in to receive your emails. You can do this by offering incentives such as discounts, whether that's a percentage off their first order or a monetary amount, or offer freebies in exchange for signing up. Another way you can market your business is with influencers. So influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers in your niche to promote your candles. Influencers have large followings on social media and can help you reach a new audience. When working with influencers though, it's important to choose those who align with your brand and your values and have a similar target audience. You can offer influencers your candles in exchange for them promoting your products to their followers. And to find influencers, you can look on social media and also Google as well. There are different places that you can find different influencers with different numbers of followers. Number four is content marketing. Content marketing involves creating valuable content that helps attract and engage your target audience. For example, you can create blog posts about candle making, write articles about the benefits of using candles, or even create how-to videos for using your candles. By creating helpful and engaging content, you can build trust with your target audience and establish your business as a thought leader in the candle making industry. So that might not necessarily be something you want to consider if you're just starting your candle business, but if you're wanting to take it to the next level, then content marketing is a way that can help grow your business. But of course, this all comes down to understanding your target audience. So this includes demographic information such as their age and gender and location, as well as psychographic information such as their interests, values, and pain points. By understanding your target audience, you can create content and promotions that are more likely to resonate with them and result in conversions or more sales. So in addition to these strategies, there are many other ways to promote your candles, such as participating in markets, fetes, and events, and even running online ads. The key is to find out what works best for your business and your target audience, and to continually experiment and refine your marketing efforts. It's not a one-size-fits-all for every candle business. It does take testing and tweaking your messaging to find the best way to get sales in your business. But by putting in the effort to market your candles effectively, you can grow your business and reach new customers. So I also wanted to talk about branding. So branding is an essential aspect of growing your candle making business. A strong brand identity can help you stand out in a crowded market and establish a lasting connection with your customers. So let's go through some key steps to consider when building your brand. So choosing a name is number one. Your name is often the first thing that people will associate with your brand. It should be memorable, easy to pronounce, and reflective of your brand values and personality. You want to consider using a name that evokes the mood or experience you want to create with your candles. Number two is creating a logo. Your logo is the visual representation of your brand and should be simple, recognizable, and memorable. You can do this yourself by using programs such as Canva, or you can work with a professional graphic designer to create a logo that represents your brand and appeals to your target audience. So depending on your budget and what your goals are for your business, you may want to go down the route of hiring a professional graphic designer. But if you are feeling creative and you feel like you can do that yourself, then Canva is a great way to go. Number three is packaging design. So the design of your packaging can have a significant impact on the perception of your brand. It should be visually appealing and reflective of your brand values and personality, and you want to consider using high quality materials that reflect the quality of your candles and include important information such as your brand name. Number four is consistency in branding. So consistency is key in maintaining a strong brand identity. This means using the same colors, fonts, imagery, and tone of voice across all your marketing materials, including your website, social media profiles, email marketing, and of course, packaging. This helps to build recognition and trust with your target audience. And lastly, it's maintaining your brand identity. So once you've actually established your brand identity, it's important to maintain it over time. So you want to be consistent and you want to be continually refining and improving your brand, but also present it to the world in a way that makes sense to you as well as the candle maker and candle business owner. It's important that you don't make too many significant changes to your brand identity, as this can actually confuse your target audience and damage your reputation as well. So by following these steps, you can build a strong brand identity that reflects the personality and values of your candle making business. A strong brand can help you attract new customers, retain existing ones, and ultimately grow your business. Now remember that building a brand is a continuous process, and you should be open to making changes as your business evolves and grows. And that's the same with your personal growth as well. We don't want to remain stagnant. We want to be open to that learning and that development and that growth and evolution as time goes on. And as your business grows, you want to grow with your business personally. And as you grow personally, you want to grow your business at the same time. So I wanted to touch on how to actually sell your candles as well in this episode. So as you know, selling your candles is of course a very important step in growing your business. And there are several ways that you can reach your target audience to maximize sales. So let's go through some of those aspects. Number one, online marketplaces. Online marketplaces such as Amazon and Etsy can be a great way to reach a large audience and start selling your candles quickly. However, it's important to keep in mind that these platforms can be highly competitive and you may need to invest time and resources into optimizing your listings and marketing your products. Number two, brick and mortar stores. Selling your candles in brick and mortar stores can be a great way to reach new customers and of course build brand awareness. You can work with local retailers or boutiques to get your candles in front of potential buyers. And you can do this either via wholesale, consignment. It's important to understand the needs of the stores that you're working with though, and offer competitive terms such as discounts if they buy in bulk, or consignment arrangements as well. Number 3 are markets and pop-up shops. So participating in markets and pop-up shops can be a great way to get your candles in front of potential customers. These events provide an opportunity to interact with customers, gather feedback, and make sales. When participating in events, be sure to bring a well-designed display and have plenty of products on hand to meet demand. Now, when it comes to any type of selling or any method that you choose, it's important that you price your candles competitively so you maximize your sales and attract new customers. You want to consider the cost of your materials, labor, and overheads when determining your pricing, but you need to keep in mind that a lower price doesn't always mean better sales, as customers may perceive a lower price as lower quality. On the other hand, pricing your candles too high may hurt your sales. It's important to find the right balance that allows you to make a profit while still being competitive in the market. By considering all of these factors, you can choose the best channels for selling your candles and reaching new customers, generating sales, and growing your business. But remember that selling your candles is an ongoing process and it requires effort and investment. But the rewards, as you know, can be significant in terms of increased exposure, more customers, and higher profits as well. Another topic that I wanted to talk about in this episode is mindset and how it plays a critical role in running a successful candle business. And I want to talk about some reasons why. So resilience is really important, especially when it comes to entrepreneurship, because entrepreneurship is challenging. But when you have the right mindset, it can help you navigate the ups and downs of running your business. A positive and resilient mindset can help you stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and maintain focus on your goals. Flexibility is really important as well. So the candle making industry, like any other, is constantly changing and evolving, and having a flexible and adaptable mindset can help you quickly adjust to changes and new challenges, which, as we know, can be critical for the success of your business. Creativity is really important as well, and if you're running a candle making business and you want to be successful, you need to be creative and innovative as well. A positive and creative mindset can help you think outside the box and come up with new and exciting ideas for your products and marketing strategies. And I'm going to assume that if you're listening to this episode and you're listening to the Candle Business Coach podcast in general, that you have a passion for candle making and a love for the craft. And that's actually essential for creating a successful business as well. A positive and passionate mindset will help put your heart into your work and create high quality candles that customers love. And the reason for this is when we're passionate about something, we're more likely to overcome the challenges that we experience because we've got that passion, that driving force leading us through and carrying us through the challenges that we may face. And that leads me into confidence. So confidence is critical when you run a business, especially when it comes to marketing and selling your candles. A confident mindset can help you effectively communicate the value of your products and build trust with potential customers as well. And the last point I wanted to make was about gratitude, one of my favorite topics. Having a grateful mindset can help you stay motivated and appreciate the journey even when things get tough. Gratitude can also help you attract positivity and opportunities into your life, which can be beneficial for your business as well. I know with myself, with my candle business, the more I'm able to work on my mindset and grow personally, it directly impacted how my business was operating and the success of my business as well. The two go hand in hand. If you are willing to look inward and grow and work on your mindset and work on your outlook, that will impact the way your business grows as well. So I hope this episode helped explain a few things in regards to marketing, branding, and selling your candles. It's a big topic, and I know that there's a lot of different ways that we can talk about marketing, branding, and selling your candles. But I wanted just to touch on a few of the different areas in this episode, just to give you a little bit of information as to how you can grow your business and help your business succeed. So as always, if you have any questions or comments about episode or any episode, feel free to slide into my DMs on Instagram at Candle Business Coach and let me know what you think. Thanks everyone for listening today. I hope this episode added value to your candle making journey. Check out the show notes for all the links mentioned throughout today's show, and please subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss any future episodes. Thanks again for listening. Have a beautiful day.